And this box is from Giorgio Armani. Let's see what I ordered from Giorgio Armani. And this is everything that comes in this box. Well, and this is what I ordered from Giorgio Armani. I ordered the high coverage foundation Balm. They say this is really good. The review said that this is really good. My skin is dry, so I never tried this before, but I want to give it, I want to test it to see if my skin likes it. This one comes with the puff, and also this have very good reviews and is featured in some magazines. That is, it's a very good product, so I'm gonna try it with my dry skin. I also ordered the quad eyeshadow quad in this color. I like this color like when I go to event, because I usually do my eyes natural, but I didn't have any color that was like this. So that's why I ordered it, because I want to try a different color with my brown eyes. And the other product I ordered is this eyeliner. This is a black eyeliner. I'm in need of one black highlighter because my other ones are old, so I already throw them away. So, and I usually buy brown, and this is, I think it's gonna be my number 2 black eyeliner. And the other product I order is this stretchable concealer. It's called high coverage stretchable concealer. I want to try this because I also heard good reviews about it. They say it's really good, and I choose a good color. Yes, it's a good color. So, and I also ordered the Armani Prima cream. This is called Glow On Moisturizing Cream, and I'm planning to wear this under my foundation, my Armani foundation. It comes with the spatula, and it comes in this beautiful white jar. And let's see, I hope it's not broken. Like this. It's in good condition, so it's fine. And also it smells really good. It smells very natural. It's a very soft smell. And this is only one number. It doesn't have any number. I'm not gonna touch it because I'm not gonna use it today. But that's it. And it comes with a little black dispenser or spatula. And they sent me a few treats. They sent me this sample of this Armani Eau de Parfum C. It smells good. I never tested this perfume before, but it smells good. It smells fresh. I like it. And they also sent me these concealer testers and this little bag. This little bag has some few tricks that I show you when I was unboxing it. It has the lotion. This is like a toner. It has the serum. Is from the line Crema Nera Extrema. It has the eye cream, also from the Crema Nera Extreme line or Extrema line. Giorgio Armani Crema Nera. This is the light cream. This is the face cream, and they also added this lip magnet in the color number 400 for all. It's called 400 lip magnet. And this cute bag. And that's it for the Armani unboxing. I hope you like it. Follow me on Facebook if you like to. Jenny Modesto, my blog, my public page is called Jenny Modesto. When Armani and other lines have promotions like up to 50% off, I always post those promotions on my Facebook page. I think I do more Facebook than Instagram because I don't like to post promotions on Instagram. I prefer to do it on Facebook. If you wanna follow me on Facebook, my public page is called Jenny Modesto, and I usually post things in Spanish, but I also, when it's promotions and posts, when it's not a live video, I always post my promotions in English. Also, when YSL or Armani Beauty or Misha or other companies that I like, they have promotions, I always post them on Facebook first. So if you wanna follow me there, you will know when they have promotions up to 50% off on perfumes and cosmetics. That's when I buy my products. I bought this from Armani when they were 40 to 50% off, almost all of them. So I save a lot of money like that. Well, I hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye.